Mm. This is especially delicious. What flavor is this? AB negative. One moment. Yes. Am I okay? Why wouldn't I be okay? We just had a blackout. I was wondering what that noise was. No, I didn't notice the lights go out. My lights were already off. I find it more pleasant that way. Is that the only reason you came to my room? To see if I was okay? That was very thoughtful. Do you need anything? A candle, perhaps? I have plenty. Follow me. Hold this. You're welcome. Is wet blood. Oh, this? It seems my juice packet spilled onto the carpet. It'll come out. It's just, cranberry juice. Oh my, look out the window. Will you look at that rain? It's really pouring out there. Well, it was very sweet of you to check on me. Your kindness is greatly appreciated. I will see you later. Do I want to hang out? What exactly does that mean? Hang out. Sure. Oh, you mean here in my room? No. Of course, that's fine. I'm just not used to having guests. So you will have to forgive me if things aren't very presentable. You are? Why are you excited to see my room? You've been burning with curiosity for that long, I didn't know my room was such a mystery to you. So, have you ever had a power outage before? Did you say earlier that the whole apartment complex is freaking out about it? It's funny, I don't really see what the big deal is. Can they not go an hour without their precious television? I prefer books for entertainment. How do I read in the dark? I don't always keep my room dark like this, you know. Sometimes I'll light 3, 4, even 5 candles. Why do you think I keep so many? A fire hazard? Be quiet. Would you rather I blow these candles out and leave you in complete darkness? Then do not mock my candles. I suppose I am a little old-fashioned. I grew up without electricity. No, it's perfectly all right to ask. We weren't poor, if that's what you are wondering. My family, we're also old-fashioned, you could say. It is nice talking to you. It has been a while since someone has asked me questions about myself. Well, usually I don't invite questions. I have a tendency to withdraw when I feel someone getting too close. As a way to protect myself, I guess. It's something like that. I have a hard time trusting people. But you, I've had the chance to observe you since we live together and all. And I can see that you are a person worth trusting. You never peeked into my bedroom, even though you could have. I can see why you've been so curious. I do disappear into my room a lot. For extended periods of time. Often without an explanation. I sleep during the day. That's why you don't see me much. I sleep during the day and I awake at night. Nocturnal, yes. I find that I'm just more productive at night. I just told you that hoping that it would satisfy some of your curiosities, but now I feel as if I've only left you with more questions. Oh no. You don't want to know. Trust me. Duh, I'm only making this worse, aren't I? You would think that after all these years, I'd be better equipped at this. We should go to sleep. I mean, you should go to sleep. You might as well just sleep through this power outage. And by the time you wake up, you will be able to watch television and go on the computer and all those internet things. And I will seem boring again. Come on. You're only talking to me now because you have nothing better to do. Once the electricity is back, I will be far less interesting. That isn't true. Okay. I'm the most interesting creature you've ever met. Is that so? Hold on a moment. Why did you say creature? Seems like a strange choice of words. Creature. Why not person or human? What? Why are you looking at me like I just told a bad joke? You know what I am? What am I? I don't know what you're talking about. Are you actually insinuating that I'm some blood-sucking, sunlight-fearing, immortal being? That's... Vampires are... Damn it, what gave it away? The blood bag was cranberry juice, I told you. The blackout curtains are for privacy. What's wrong with sleeping through the day? Can't a girl rest? I avoid mirrors for my vanity. Have you been watching me that closely? You're obsessed. Garlic? Well, this is about the time you made spaghetti and garlic bread for dinner and I choked on the smell. Did you ever consider that perhaps you're just an awful cook? Okay, fine. I suppose there isn't any use in denying it. You figured me out. Congratulations. I should have done a better job hiding it. I let my guard down around you. Got sloppy. I knew there would be risks with getting a roommate. But I thought it would also be a good way to blend in. Make me seem normal. But to you, I seem like the least normal person in the world. I shouldn't have told you about myself. It was just nice not hiding for once. I'm so used to pushing people away, shutting down any conversation that turns even a little personal. It's been centuries since I let myself get close to someone. Maybe it wouldn't be such a bad thing to have one person know. It would definitely make things easier I wouldn't have to smuggle in blood bags from the hospital anymore. I meant I won't have to be so discreet about it. I didn't mean I'll be getting blood from somewhere else. You're safe with me. I would never feed on you. Unless, if you asked me to. Feeding on a human can be a pleasant experience for both parties, you know. What's your blood type? Sorry, don't answer that. I'm getting ahead of myself. Anyway, thank you for being someone I can trust. I hope that you will trust me too. I realize that may not be easy, given the reputation of vampires. But we're not all homicidal, I assure you. Most of us just want to blend in and live in peace. I suppose now I can show you my bedroom truthfully. This is my blood bag supply. I restock every week. The fresher the better. And my bed, if I just press this in here, pull this down, and press this, it actually transforms into a coffin. This is how I actually sleep. It's cozier than it looks. Is the electricity back on? Look at that crack under my door. The lights seem to be on in the living room. I wonder how long the power's been back. Do you want to stay in here? Candlelight is so much better. I'm glad you've finally come to your senses. It's easier on the eyes, and it's more romantic. So, do you want to cuddle in my coffin?